Shorty bad, slim, thick. She might drug, she might fix. And I'm all up in her mix. She be.
Hey YouTube, this is your girl NicoleXOXO, and I'm back today with a wig tutorial on just a middle part wig tutorial on some cheap straight hair that I love buying. This is one brand. When I know it comes to cheap those synthetic natural fibers hair is a really great brand. It lasts for a very long time. And I'm going to do a wig out of it. I'm going to do a middle part. So this video is about transformation and a wig tutorial on the middle part. The hair that I got is the Q Master Mix Malaysian Iron Texture Natural Straight, and it comes with 7 pieces, 2 22, 2 20 inches, and 2 18 inches, and I have it in a OT 27. I keep telling my fiance that I want to try gray hair, like the black and gray hair, but I'm so scared to like try that color. Like, I don't know why. And they also have like this teal greenish blue and this brand like this, and I want to try that too, but I'm like scared. I don't know why. I'm always sticking to like 350, 99J, blonde, 27, like those colors. I want to like, I don't know, I want to explore more, but this is the hair that I got for this time. I'm going to show you guys how I make my wigs and everything I got from my local beauty supply store, but I know for a fact that Sam's Beauty have this on their site. I always shop with them as well. I went ahead and brought a mesh wig cap dome style, which is something that I always buy to make my wigs. I really don't buy no other type of cap. This is a mannequin head. You can get this from your local beauty supply store. It's like $2.99 or something like that. I made it to fit my head. I measured my head and I framed it to the measurements of my head with tape. If you guys want to know how to do that, I would be more than happy to do a video explaining how to do it. So let's jump right to the video. What I'm gluing the tracks down with is my glue gun and glue sticks that I brought from Walmart. I like to start off with 2 tracks to the end. I don't usually put nothing close on this part right here. I don't usually put nothing like down there. I like to start right above the line of the band in the back and gradually work my way up. So right now I just went ahead and glued down 2 tracks off camera, and I'm going to go ahead and do the other set. The 22 inches. I hot glued them. This is all of the 22 inches. And you see, I got that much left, and I still have this much to go. So they say this is a 1-pack get your whole head done. And it's true. It is a one packing to get your whole head done. Like I mentioned before, the tracks are thin, but the hair is thick. So as you can see, that's full, honey. That's full because of the texture and the thickness of this hair. Even though the tracks are thin, the hair make up for it. Okay, you guys. So this is how much I have left for the 18. And all of this is the 22 inches and the 20 inches of hair. Only the 18 come in two tones from black to number 27. So only the 18 like that. And I have 2 of those left. So I have more than enough hair. I might even have hair left over. Some of the 18 left over. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the whole wig. And I'm going to come back with the ending results of the wig. And then I'm going to come back with me transformed. Okay, guys. Okay, you guys, so I'm finished with the wig. This is the back of the wig, and as you can see, it is super full. And this is the front of the wig.
That's my mom making a video
I'm going to show you guys how I put on my wig. This is how much space I have. I will cut this down in the middle and cut off the excess black mesh cap, whatever needs to be cut off. And I will go ahead and sew it down. I'm going to go ahead and fix my braids up how I braid my hair when I'm going to sew down my wigs. Okay, you guys, this is the braiding pattern I did for the wig I made. I'm going to just let you guys see. Like, I'm not going to leave no leave out because I'm going to do invisible crochet at the top. I'm not going to leave anything out. So I'm going to sew the wig down, going around, and these 2 braids is for my crochet, my invisible crochet. I don't sew the wig down on this part. I just stuff all this inside the cap. I don't do all that. I just only sew up until this much and around. So I will be back once I done got the wig sewed down, and then I will show you guys how I do the invisible part. Okay, so I cut the track hair to get this because I have to make the ombre effect, and then I got a piece of weave and I put it to the top. You want to make sure the hair is teased. Okay. So now I'm going to show you guys. Back up a little bit. Now I'm going to show you guys. I did one invisible part. Now I'm going to show you guys how I do it. Okay, you guys, I finished my hair. I finished sewing the wig in. I showed you guys how I did the invisible crochet, and now this is the ending results. And let me just let you guys see the sides, the back, the other side, and now back to the front. So when I had finished crocheting in the invisible part, I went ahead and put the flat iron to it just to blend it in with the weave a little bit more. Remind you guys, this part is a wig. And this is it. I didn't want none of my hair out because my hair is very curly, and I didn't want to have to keep constantly putting heat to it every day just to make it lay straight. I don't really like putting heat to my hair. So I said, you know what, let me go ahead and do an invisible crochet part. So I'm very happy with the ending results. Like I told you guys, this is some good quick. This is a good quick hairstyle. The hair is not that expensive. I believe I paid $25.99 for it. If you guys like the video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to stay tuned. Every Saturday I upload videos. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for always supporting me as I'm trying to grow my channel. Yeah, so you guys be blessed and enjoy the rest of your week.